Is there anything better than sitting outside in a sunny weather and sipping on a glass of your favorite fruit iced tea? At least for me, no, there is not. So today I'm sharing my most loved and easy peasy fresh plum drink recipe with you all. So let's get started. Before we start this video, here is a little reminder. I tirelessly work towards creating easy and creative recipes that everyone can benefit from. If you have enjoyed my recipes, please do not forget to hit the like button. Your support and faith encourages me to do better. Coming back to the recipe, officially we are still in summer months here where I live, and ripe plums are at peak. So fresh plum recipes like cobblers, salads, smoothies are happening in my kitchen in full swing. But this refreshing sweet plum iced tea beverage is on repeat. It has no artificial flavors whatsoever. This tasty iced tea is brimming with natural plum flavor. Not so sweet, refreshing and perfect. This cold plum drink is going to be a huge hit. Hope you like this homemade beverage as much as I did. Bye!